Number 10. Number 9.
The igloo is composed by a base and a metal grill on which lies a double terracotta chamber. The base offers a place to locate the candles that, once you light them on, will warm the tinier chamber up. This cover stores a lot of heat, spread to the external chamber. The air intake of the vault facilitates the emission of the warm air gathered between the chambers, allowing the thermal exchange with the environment. The first phase of production of igloo is the hand making that combines the study of the form and the knowledge of Italian terracotta craftsmanship. To obtain the final form for the production, a matrix was designed using 3D printing, fusing tradition and innovation. From the matrix was made a plaster mold for the large-scale production of igloo, designed for everyone, natural colored and glazed. Candles will last for about 5 hours, enough for heating a 20 square meters room with only 10 cents, increasing the room temperature by 2 or 3 degrees. You can also heat your cup, rest your hands, light a cigarette on, dry the enamel, heat your dresses, perfume the room.
Number 8.
Rone Pigman Fan Heater. Small and cute, simple and stylish. Simple operation, rapid heating. 2-in-1 design, warm and intimate. Hand warmer can maintain 55 degrees temperature in 40 minutes. Beep when dumping, safe and reliable. With different gear positions, you can switch the wind speed freely. Energy saving and environmental protection with automatic temperature control. Low decibel operation, ensuring your sleep quality on a quiet night. Hand warmers weigh only 80 grams, so it is convenient to carry when going out. Spend every day with you on a cold winter day.
Number 7.
Stay warm with a compact Lasco ceramic heater with adjustable thermostat. The adjustable thermostat control feature allows for personalized comfort any time of the year. Equipped with built-in safety features, 1500 watts of comforting warmth, and 3 quiet settings, the Lasco ceramic heater provides high heat, low heat, and fan-only options. The convenient carry handle allows for easy transport, and the 3-year limited warranty ensures reliability. Arriving fully assembled, the Lasco ceramic heater is the perfect addition for any home.
Number 6. Number 5.
Think of a typical portable heater. That red glow is an obvious sign of intense heat. Yet these products only warm the space directly around them. They do not circulate the heat throughout the room. Vornado's whole room heaters use vortex action to circulate heated air throughout the room, quickly and quietly. By heating the room you are in, you can turn down your home's thermostat. The resulting energy savings can pay for the cost of the heater in one season. While most heaters cycle heat on and off, Vornado offers automatic climate control, which precisely regulates heat output and fan speed to maintain an even room temperature. With a Vornado, there is no glowing heat element. The unit remains cool to the touch and shuts off if tipped over or if airflow becomes obstructed. Safely create, control, and circulate heat with a whole room heater, only from Vornado.
Number 4.
Keep your environment comfortable and quiet anytime, from anywhere, with the Pinguino Smart Portable Air Conditioner with Wi-Fi connection and smart speaker compatibility. Great for spaces up to 700 square feet, this unit's cooling and heating modes let you choose your ideal temperature. Dehumidifier and fan functions are also available when you need them. One of the most convenient things about this unit is that it's extremely portable, so you can move it from room to room. Plus, setup is simple and requires no tools, thanks to the included window kit. It's so easy to use, too. Just download the Pinguino app and remotely adjust the temperature, setting schedules, fan speeds, and modes right from your smartphone or tablet. You can even connect it to your smart speakers for simple voice control. Or just manually make changes with the light-up sensor touch panel or the included remote. Keep excess noise to a minimum by selecting the Whisper Cool option, or use the exclusive Real Feel function for the optimal balance of temperature and humidity reduction. For added convenience, this unit is also equipped with motorized airflow control, as well as a biosilver coating that helps to prevent the growth of mold and mildew on the filter. Comfort is made easy with the Pinguino Smart with Wi-Fi connection and smart speaker compatibility Whisper Cool Portable Air Conditioner.
Number 3.
Stay warm with Dr. Infrared Heater, the state-of-the-art energy-saving space zone heater that can heat a large 1,000 square foot room fast. Dr. Infrared Heater keeps you comfortable all winter long and could even help slash your heating bill in half.
Now, not only is it affordable and a great value, but it can help you save hundreds of dollars off your home heating costs. In fact, many homeowners enjoy annual savings of up to 50% on their heating costs.
One customer, Steve, writes, "I saved about $110 this month. This heater will pay for itself in 2 months."
And J.A. Mudson writes, "The heat radiates the room and warms everywhere. We have been able to cut off our wall heat and save on rising propane costs."
I mean, we can go on and on. Monica purchased 2 heaters and says she uses them instead of her furnace. With Dr. Infrared Heater, you simply get more for your money. This ingenious high-velocity blower forces heat into the environment for maximum distribution as it stays remarkably cool inside, which ensures maximum hot air distribution and extended operating life. Speaking of which, the lifetime of Dr. Infrared Heater is an incredible 80,000 hours for winter after winter of comfort and savings. That's 4 times longer than other infrared heaters. No other heater on the market can match Dr. Infrared Heater's performance.
What do you say we show our viewers at home just how fast Dr. Infrared Heater works?
Great.
Here we have 2 airtight chambers. Inside one is a space heater with a price tag of over $400. And in the other is Dr. Infrared Heater, which costs not even half of that. Just imagine what this revolutionary heating system can do in your home.
Number 2.
Here we are going to show you how to use the settings on your HZ445R Honeywell 360 degree ceramic surround heater. First, make sure that the heater is plugged in. This heater has 2 constant heat modes, or you can set the thermostat to any preferred comfort setting. Turn the heater on by pressing the power button. This heater will always start in the high, constant heat mode, where high will blink in the display 3 times. In high, the heater will remain on maximum power of 1500 watts. This heater will then display the current temperature in your room. The current temperature will be displayed in solid red and remain displayed until you change the setting. In this instance, the current room temperature is 74 degrees. To change the setting to low, where the heater will operate at 900 watts, press the temp set button once until low appears in the display. To use the thermostat and choose your desired comfort setting, press the temp set button to choose your desired temperature. The chosen desired temperature will blink 3 times in the display, and then the current room temperature will display steadily. Note, this heater is equipped with many safety features, one being a 360-degree safety tip switch which disables the heater if tipped in any direction. Make sure you are not tipping the heater while using the settings, or the heater will remain off. To use the timer function, press the timer button and choose 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. The heater will run for that chosen period and automatically shut off after the desired time has passed. This heater includes a remote that can set your temperature or timer remotely. To select your heat direction, use the lever in the back of the heater. Press the lever down to choose 180-degree directional heating. To select all-around heating, press the lever up to choose 360-degree surround heating.
Number 1.